All right, welcome back to another episode of Freaky Wing Friday behind the scenes. This week we're running chicken and waffle wings. I think it's going to be a smash. We got chicken wings, we got a sauce we're going to make for that, and then we're going to crumble it on top. We're going to put waffles on top of the wings. I think it's going to be a smash, but let's find out. Wangs. All right, most people don't know we have a basement. It's kind of creepy sometimes at night. All right, this is where we keep all of our supplies. All right, we need some syrup. All right, I'm gonna make enough. 4 cups. 4 cups fills up a giant squirt bottle, and we see how it rolls. Up in the red chili flakes. Let's get some of those. I think what's really gonna make it pop, we got habanero extract. No, I don't know what I don't know what happened, but like I always do the walk out the door talk, and I said wangs, didn't even realize it, and then I went to edit the video, and like I already ate the wings, and I already got going on it, and then I was editing it, and I said wangs. I was like, bro, I'm not supposed to say that, but there was nothing I could do. I was like, well, gotta post it anyways, so I posted it. So I posted it. So now it's like it is like Kyleism? It's Kyleism, yes. So it's like a thing now. I have to say wangs. Wangs. It's like your ginseng? My ginseng? That's Kyleism, yes. I'm going to start using that. My dad took me we were at a competition in Dallas, and he's like, hey, let's go get Thai food tonight. I've never had Thai food, right? Ever. I was like, all right, I'll go try it. So we get there, and we order our food, and the lady's like, what's your spice level, 1 to 10? And I was like, well, explain that. She's like, 10 is like super hot. Like, rarely anybody eats that. And my dad likes to sweat when he eats. And I'm like, bro, and I'm not a spice guy. Like, die. Like, I want to enjoy my food, not die. For sure. So I said, all right, give me a 3. And then my dad's like, give me a 10. So we kind of got the same thing. The waitress comes, swaps plates, sets it down. I start eating it. I am dying. Absolutely like death dying. Hey, do you have milk? Kind of here dying. And the lady's like freaking out, and she's like, and my dad's like, oh, this ain't hot at all. This ain't hot at all. You're such a pansy. You're this, that, blah, blah, blah. So the lady then goes, I think we swapped bowls. Gave me the 10, gave him the 3. Yeah. That was the worst experience ever. I was dying. All right, let's put some crumbles. Let's put some waffle crumbles. Saya. That old lady right there. Every Sunday she comes in for tacos. Every Sunday. What's that? She sit right here. No, she wouldn't even sit here. She just calls on the phone, and I recognize her name. Like, oh, tacos. Yes, ma'am. I'm coming in for tacos. Got you. I got you. All right, social media. Social media. All right, is this a freaky wing? You're behind barbecue. Yeah, you can do that. How many you got? 8. Okay, what time? 2. Yeah, that's perfect time, actually. Okay, 2:30, 8 people. Yeah, lunch rush is done by then. Perfect. Okay, let me get your first name. Cecily? Oh, so yeah. Gotcha. No, you're good. All right, let me get a phone number for you. Yep. 4422. Got you. All right, Miss Cecily. I don't know. Anyways, yes, we will see you. We will see you at 2:30. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Bye. Cecily is her name. Cecily. 8 people. 8 people at 2:30. Buenos dias.
Is it?
It's a Buenos dias day. How we doing today?
Good. How you doing?
Good. Day off?
It's Friday.
I know. Not on call?
Not this week.
Good. Good. How you doing? Doing all right? Chicken fried steak day today? Oh, no, we're changing it up. All right. Chicken and waffle wings? Ooh. All right, freaky wing dance. Freaky wing. The what? Oh.
Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, dang, they're sticky.
This is the first one.
The very first one.
Good enough to eat, sir.
That looks good.
Hope they like it.
All right, boys and girls, that's the end of Freaky Wing Friday. That's the end of this episode. Thank you for tagging along, watching kind of the restaurant, a little bit of chaos. Freaky Wing Friday was a hit. I didn't get it all, but it was a hit. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, ring the bell so you don't miss a thing.